Let's fix your iPhone if the automatic date and time is grayed out. Now, if you want to switch the automatically updated date and time over to manual so you can change the date and time, but that toggle button is grayed out, I'll show you why and how to fix it. Let's hop into our settings here, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Let's go into General and then Date and Time. Now you can see here, set automatically, it doesn't allow me to turn that off. And the reason for that is, let's go back and back again and hop into screen time. Screen time prevents you from changing that to manual because of course they're measuring your current screen time. And if you say all of a sudden it's yesterday or a year from now, it'll mess up the whole screen time calculations. So all you have to do is at the bottom, turn off screen time. You might need that password if there is a password associated with your screen time. So just go ahead and turn it off. And once that is turned off, let's go back into General and Date and Time. And now it's no longer grayed out. I can turn that off and always manually adjust that date or time zone if I wanted to. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.